Let's break down how you can start an LLC in 2026 in less than 5 minutes. So for fun, let's start the timer. If you want to take your business to the next level, make it more legit, and get some more protection, an LLC is the way to go. Not only does an LLC give your business a more professional appearance, but it separates you and your business so you don't lose your personal assets. And it's pretty easy to set up. First, you have to file your articles of organization at the state level. This step is done through the Secretary of State's office in most states and can be done online. It just lets the state know you have a business. At this point, you need to choose a name and include LLC or limited liability company at the end. A pro tip here is to make sure the name is unique and hasn't been used before. It is required, but it's also a huge help when setting up a website or social media pages. Next, you're going to want to choose your management structure. You have two options: member managed and manager managed. There are many ways to think about this, but basically, member managed LLCs are best for smaller businesses. Think if you're an active owner working every day and know most or all of your employees. Here, any member or owner can make decisions and sign contracts. Manager managed LLCs are better for bigger companies. The difference is the managers who run the business are appointed. Here, only those designated managers can make decisions and sign contracts. Think big. We're talking companies with many members or passive investors. Finally, you'll designate a registered agent. A registered agent is simply a person or business that maintains a physical street address in your state and is available during normal business hours. All states require this. You can be your own registered agent, but that means you have to be available and in place during those regular business hours. That's a lot when you're running a business. So a popular option is hiring a professional service to act as a registered agent for you. This gives you freedom, privacy, and with the right one, help with compliance, or basically staying up to date with renewals and notices. The big plus here is using your registered agent as your business address. This is big if you don't have a staffed office and want to keep your home address off public record, or register your LLC in a different state. Believe it or not, LLCs are rather new. Not until the mid-1990s did all 50 states enact some sort of legislation recognizing them. So even though the idea of starting a business is embedded in the DNA of the United States, not until somewhat recently were those business owners granted protection without the trials of becoming a corporation. Next, you'll need an EIN, or Employer Identification Number. You get this from the IRS, and it's important because you'll need it to set up a business bank account or pay your employees, and eventually, your taxes. Ugh. By default, meaning if you start your LLC and don't become a corporation, the IRS will treat your LLC like a sole proprietorship if it's just you, or a partnership if you have more than one owner. That just means you claim your business income when you file your personal taxes. Another option here is for your LLC to become an S corporation. If you choose S Corp status, you would draw yearly salary from your LLC for the work you do and pay payroll taxes on that. Any additional income above the salary would be considered a distribution and taxed accordingly. All right, once the federal stuff is taken care of, you'll need to take care of all the local stuff. This includes things like a business license, a sales tax permit, and any health and safety permits required. And if your business is in a specialty field, any specialty permits you may need. Think doctors, lawyers, architects, or any other regulated field of work. That's a lot. A helping hand can go a long way when getting set up. Remember, we're here to help with any of it along the way, from filing and compliance to even registered agent services. We do it all, and we've got you covered. We're just a quick call or email away. And if you're still in the idea part of setting up your business and want to learn more about your LLC and taxes, check out this video now.